So today I'm going to bring you my review and unboxing on this Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker by Anker. Now, Anker is supposed to be a pretty good product. I've never tried them before. This is going to be my first one. It says it'll give me enhanced sound, 24-hour playtime, and that it's fully waterproof. We're not going to test that theory, but it is an IPX7 rated Bluetooth speaker. All right, so let's get her open. The way I intend to use this will be with my tablet mainly, but you know, I might wind up hooking it up to the phone every now and then. Well, the first thing coming out is going to be our manual, which I always suggest everybody read the manual. Looks like we've got a USB to USB-C plug right there. Okay. And then we've got the speaker itself. I mean, it's got a little weight to it. I'm not going to say it's light. It's definitely not light. It's got a little weight to it. General packaging, no big deal there. I do like the fact that it has this rubber, it feels like a rubber casing around it, right? Obviously the metal grill and the logo there, but it's a rubber casing here. And if you can see, all the buttons here are raised and posed. So we're not actually touching the unit itself, we're touching the buttons. Now, it might be a little hard to see, so, you know, this one is the Bluetooth here. Volume up, volume down, play button, and I'm assuming this is the power button. Let's see if it's got any power. Did y'all hear that? All right, so we are on. All right, so as with most units, you got the unit turned on. Just go ahead and open up your Bluetooth settings, and it should be able to pair. It's going to ask you if you want to pair it to it. Say yes. And now we are connected. So I just threw on a couple of different tracks, including Beethoven, some dark country, some blues, a little bit of rock, a little bit of hip hop. And I got to tell you, it does have a loud, clean sound to it. You might have to adjust the EQ down on the bass. There is a little vibration there. But other than that, I'd say this thing sounds pretty damn good. It actually sounds better than my other unit. So, you know, there you go. I think it's going to be a really good product. Just because I didn't mention it before, this is your charging port, extension port there. Now, I understand that you can take and pair two of these together. I don't know how to do that. I've only got one. You read your instruction manual to tell you all about it. So, you know what? Not bad. First piece from Anker. Give it a thumbs up.